On January 15, 2026, officers entered a private residence and arrested a man for disorderly conduct, based solely on a disputed crossing guard complaint. Under Payton v. New York, 1980, a warrantless home arrest requires exigent circumstances, not merely third-party consent. A one-sided witness account, contradicted by the suspect, does not establish probable cause for a custodial arrest. Disorderly conduct requires fighting, threatening behavior, or breach of peace in a public place. Under City of Houston v. Hill, 1987, verbal confrontation of law enforcement, even profane or defiant, is protected speech under the First Amendment. The arrest was triggered, in part, by the subject stating he would continue driving past crossing guards. Arresting on the basis of anticipated speech violates clearly established First Amendment doctrine. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, the handcuffing was proportional. However, proportional force during an unlawful arrest does not cure the underlying constitutional deficiency. Officer Ryan receives a C. Probable cause was insufficient. The warrantless home entry lacked exigent circumstances. The arrest was triggered by protected speech. Force was proportional, but the arrest itself was not lawful. The subject receives a B. Physical compliance throughout. Account consistent. His declaration, "No, I won't," was constitutionally protected, but tactically counterproductive. Key lessons. A disputed witness account alone rarely establishes probable cause. Verbal defiance of police is not disorderly conduct. For minor public order complaints, a citation, not arrest, is the proportionate response. Offensive conduct and criminal conduct are not the same thing. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.